Hello guys, kumusta po kayo? Sa video na ito ay tungkol sa GCash na may iba't ibang lumabas na error na magpa-pop up dito. Una na dito. Oops! You can double check your wallet balance and transaction history if your previous transaction is pushed. Please retry later. Pangalawa. Something went wrong. Learn how to troubleshoot or try again after an hour. Learn more. At ito pa. I'm sorry. We're unable to process your request. For your protection, we need to take another look at your transaction. You will temporarily be unable to use Express Send at the moment. For us to review your account, please file a report below or by going to profile mas mahigit. Help. File a report. Or, back to GCash home. Yan po guys, sa akin po ay hindi ko na ginalaw ang mga yan, maghintay na lang tayo kung kailan bumabalik yung maayos na pag-transact sa GCash, may error lang po sila. Maraming salamat po sa